Okay, I got scammed today, and I am very heartbroken. I don't know why I'm heartbroken though, because it's a stupid item. She scammed me. I'll read the messages to you. Hi, wait, I'm gonna say the names first. Purple Spirit 16, Scammer. Hi, you wanted free Airy, right? Lily for life, me. Yes! Smiley face. I have to get something back. Purple Spirit Scammer. I have to get something back. Me. Lily for life. It doesn't have to be a rare. Like what? Oh my goodness. I don't know. Okay. Anything? I'm like, anything? Anything. You first. I don't know what I get. I don't care what I get. How do I know you're not scamming? Let's use trade system. I just put system up. I'm on tablet. I don't scam. I go same time. You can still use trade. No, you can't. Oh. If you're on tablet, you can't use system. Okay, I'll go first. I gave her a gift. Oh wait. She gave me a gift? I did not even see that. What did she say? Did she reply to me? Yeah, I gave her that. But she still is a scammer. She scammed me. So let's keep on going. And I'm not gonna read the whole thing to you. I said I don't want to trade. See ya. I was busy. I can't always message you. You scammed me. You is going on YouTube. Okay, so yeah, bye guys. Cuckoo gaga. She's not a scammer. She gave it back. I thought she did not give it back. And yeah. She's not a scammer. I think she gave it back because it's a stupid item you get from Movie Star Planet. So guys. Guys. Okay. Yeah, bye guys. Never mind, imposter. She's an imposter. How do I know that? Oh shoot. Just chill out. It was, you know what? You're Lily. Oh, then prove it. Do I need to know? Yep, imposter. Dummy. Well, bye guys.